You gotta let go. Baby, it's a little too late, cause I already put my all to the table. Everything about me from the get-go. There goes another love song. Hate that it's becoming my usual. Taking things slow, I just can't control. Baby, I'm incapable of it. Then one day, show up like heaven sent you here. So I say, hello, how you doing? Nice to meet you. All my friends are telling me she might be bad news. Now can't go back, yeah, you know I'm caught up in you. I get obsessed so easily. Like honestly, what the fuck is wrong with me? I go 2 nights out with the girl and I think I'm in love. Why do I fall so easily? Or is it that she's so perfect for me? I can't keep on feeling the love of my life like this, but I guess I'm obsessed with you. Doing better. Took a little but I got my head on. Finally taking a good care of me, myself, and I don't wanna wait no more. Trying everything I can, like meditating, keeping myself busy down to every second, so I don't have time to fantasize what could have been like you and I. Then again, show up like heaven sent you here. So I say, hello, how you doing? Nice to meet you. Nice off the plate, mommy, cause you can't deny your natural beauty. Now can't go back, yeah, you know I'm caught up in you. I get obsessed so easily. Like honestly, what the fuck is wrong with me? I go 2 nights out with the girl and I think I'm in love. Why do I fall so easily? Or is it that she's so perfect for me? I can't keep on feeling the love of my life like this, but I guess I'm obsessed with you. I get obsessed so easily. Like honestly, what the fuck is wrong with me? I go 2 nights out with the girl and I think I'm in love. And why do I fall so easily? Or is it that she's so perfect for me? I can't keep on meeting the love of my life like this, but I guess I'm obsessed with you.